Before we begin, remember that this class is for educational purposes only, is not medical advice. Please work within your own limits. If you experience pain, dizziness, or any concerning symptoms, stop immediately and consult your healthcare provider. By participating, you accept responsibility for your own health and safety.
So the pickleball thing, it's more important. Our ankle, our hip have to be stable and mobile. So we're gonna show a couple exercises with David. As you can see, we try to David on the table and check all his mobility and stability. And with this ankle, he can't play pickleball. That's why we need to work on it. And the first exercise, I'm gonna show the foam roller. We show you a couple exercises what you can do and improve before you play pickleball. The first one, it's a foam roller. You can do that at home. You can bring this travel size, and this is gonna work on that hip. Open that hip a little bit. I show the David. You don't need to roll lower back. You don't need to roll to the side because this is IT band. It's not stretchable muscle and you're not doing anything. You need to work on that gluteus muscles and open that hip. The simple, you sit down on that foam roller, lean the side you wanna work. Let's say I wanna work on my right side. My right hip is always tense. What I'm doing, I usually cross this leg just like that, lean on that side, and I start roll up and down, just like that. A very great sensation, feeling sore, and of course I'm switch the opposite side. Let's see what's David gonna do. Go ahead. So sit down, yes. He's lean on first on that side. He's lean on that side. Yeah, and you can cross, great. And place your arm on the field. Arm in the shadow. And roll.
Yes, this feels amazing.
Good.
You can get your glutes, your hip. You can work on a lot of muscles that's gonna help your hip.
And it's a bunch of hip exercise. You can look at our channel. This is right on the field. You can also bring this resistance bands. I will show you in a minute what you can do.
Wow, this is amazing.
Great. All right,
yeah.
Get up. Okay. Ankle. It's a lot of ankle issue, especially when you go forward and run. I want to show you this ankle exercise, and that's probably going to be the biggest cool exercise for the pickleball. You come to the court, you can use this net, you can use the pole. What you're doing, you find that net, you go through this net, and you can see it. You just put the band inside the band, create that loop attached to that net. All you do, David, just step inside that with your ankle forward. And it says, you're gonna look this way. So you see he placed that band right exactly where that joint is, where that tibia and ankle talus bone is meet each other. That's the movement. So go ahead and try to go forward as much as possible. So he loading this band, and now he can start leaning forward exactly like he played at pickleball. And that's the goal.
Yes, this you can really feel.
Step forward.
Strengthening your ankle, which going to help your knee, it's going to help your hip.
Great.
Having all of this.
So
wow.
lean forward, Exactly. So he's not leaning too much. He just want that band is distract that ankle and pull it back. Also, I'm gonna show you a bunch of exercise. He can start turn this way, put some load, and create stability. Try to stay in one leg. You see how hard and his struggle he is? Can he play pickleball? I don't think so. If he's gonna play the pickleball, he's definitely, yes. And this is the testers. And if you can go and play, but the problem is you're gonna injure yourself because this is important. Let me try it.
You're strengthening what's weak.
Yeah.
And that's why this thing works good. Because you don't know what's weak until you try the band with resistance.
Okay.
We can test for this also.
So, like I said, it's an ankle forward, you loading, you can do both knee, you can do one knee standing, this is even advanced. You're distracting, you also activate your glutes, you turn around, you all do full positioning. You can, like I said, you can do step forward, step back, step forward, step back. This is loading your glutes, activate everything. You can stay in one leg, try to create that stability. You see how hard it is? But you turn your glutes up, you mobilize your stabilize your ankle at the same time. That's what we're looking for. You can go back, activate your posterior line, do some pulling like this. What I'm doing here, activate my all back muscle, my hamstring, my glutes.
Now we could show you all of these exercises in person. We're coming to the clinic.
Correct.
Over in Glendale.
Another great exercise. So we got a bunch of bands. We can talk about this hours and hours. But the thing is, you have to do assessment first. Identify the issue, and after, do the treatment, and after treatment, do correction exercise, or improve that before you get injury. My favorite one, because you guys change direction a lot. You step forward a lot, you step back a lot, you do sides, and this is an important one, and I love to do that one. Again, there's a little bit less tension band. You attach the same thing to the gate. Everything is there, and all you do, you step inside the band, and look at that. So I'm loading around my hamstring, whatever knee, and this is what I'm doing. I'm step forward, step back, step forward, and the band is distracting me. I can go side. You see what I'm doing here? This is activate my glutes. It's making me stronger. You can also place that short band on your ankles, and it's gonna be monster move, monster muscle activation. Here we go. I'll do it for you. There we go. Wow, that's crazy. You see, I'm do side. Now I do backward, forward.
You feel that?
Oh yeah, my glutes is crazy. And it's create that strength and not falling forward. The brain, you're working with the brain and your muscle at the same time. Reflex. Let's try David and see what he's gonna feel. It's all about the feeling.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So go ahead, step inside. Let me help you out. So he's never done this. And spread.
Wow.
And start running.
God. Yeah, you can feel it. See, this strengthens what's weak.
So yeah, go forward, go backward, like running forward, running backward. You see, here we go. Running forward, stop. Go backward, stop. No, go put some tension.
Yeah.
Don't be, here we go, don't be afraid. Side, go side jumping, side to side. And look at him. You see how he struggled to go to the right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
It strengthens your stability.
And that's what the beauty. If you guys don't do all this exercise, if you think you can just come in and do your favorite sport, you're wrong. You have to do pre-workouts, pre-stretch.
That band.
Oh yeah, here we go. Well, this is not that easy. It looks easy, but it's not. So just remember, no pain, just enjoy the moment. Here we go, look at that. But you lose that band on the top. Yeah, keep that band in tension all the time. You see, he's losing that band. No, put the tension. Always keep that.
Oh, you're working. It works.
Exactly. And look at this. 5 minutes of those babies, you can play your tennis ball. All right, it's too dramatic, David.
You can feel it. It really makes
and
you work.
You can see it's attached everywhere. Ankle, thoracic mobility. Let me show you thoracic mobility. It's so simple. Thoracic, it's a lot of issue with thoracic. David, you see how he's enjoyed that move? Beautiful. All right, David, we don't have all the time in the world here. We have to go and treat patients. So next one, thoracic. It's a lot of non-mobility in our thoracic area, especially after office. You think, oh, I'm okay, I can just jump in and go play my tennis or pickleball. It doesn't matter. All those cross sports, you need to make sure you get that mobility and rotation in your thoracic. If you don't, you're gonna start rolling and moving through your lower back. And that's what people come in. They say my lower back is hurt, but the issue is upper body because it's not rotated. When you play, you rotate with your lower back, not with your thoracic. And if you're not gonna do this, I'm gonna arrest you, okay? All of you. We're all gonna go jail. So, thoracic mobility. This is what idea is to create rotation with resistance. You see, you can do from the bottom, you can do from the midline, you can do from the top. But idea is get that rotation and feel. You see, most people, they can't go because it's no mobility rotation. You can go switch. You can go this way, up and down. Rotate. You see, I'm rotated. Create rotation. How to check your rotation? You can try it. Go ahead. I'm explaining.
Well, I have limitations.
Okay. So the idea is you place your hands together and all you do, you rotate to one side, you rotate to the left and to the right. If you can rotate around 55 degrees, so basically you can see what's behind your shoulder. It should be fine. If you don't, you have that limitation in your thoracic mobility. Simple test, another one. You stay, you place one hand on your butt right here, and all you can turn and reach and look up. If this is reach 55 degrees, you're good. Don't need to worry about it. If you don't, it's problem. Let's see my left one. It's there, but it's limited. I can tell. I need improvements. I need to work with the bands. So I know we talk too much here, but the idea is prevent the injury, because injury is going to cause you a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of discomfort in your life, not happiness. The pain is never make you happy. Prevent that. Enjoy, fun. The game, the sports, it's not just a sport game. It's a preparation for the sports. And those professional people, why they professional? Because they doing all those steps before the game. They check themselves before the game. And you have this chance to do this in our clinic in Glendale. And it's very affordable. And we welcome you in our clinic. So it's a physio massage, which is check your range of motion. It's assessment, treatment, reassessment, and goal. It's not just the typical your Swedish or deep tissue massage, and that's what you need to do. That's why we like to work with the sport people. We like work with people who's enjoy the life, who wants to be active. So we in our clinic, we're gonna show you what exactly we do and how we can help you. We're not gonna show you the whole treatment, but the idea is understand where is the issue in your body and preventing, stop the injury. So you're gonna, okay, blah, blah, blah. All right, so we now back in clinic, we're gonna test the David. The idea is in physio massage, it's identify the issue with your body and work on it to prevent your injury. Especially play your favorite pickleball. So David, come over here, and we're not gonna do simple tests. We're gonna ask him to lay down, face up. Yeah, he's walk like old. So can he play pickleball? I don't think so. Definitely gonna be injury. You can play, but you're gonna pay the price. The price is going to be pain and injury. And the thing is, we want to check capable David play the pickleball. So hip flexors first. Go ahead and try to raise your leg up straight. Just one leg, just one leg. And this is very short. We have to be probably around here. If I help him out and I'm get there, it's probably more a control problem, that stability problem. Next one, we want to check the ankle. Ankle have to be mobile. Is that ankle moving? Its ankle is not moving. So could be the injury? Yes, David. So think about it. If you add the force to your body and you're going to step forward, try to reach that ball, your ankle is not working. It's usually go to your knee, to your hip. Let's check the hip now. The hip, external, internal rotation, hip to have to rotate inside and outside, 35 and 40 degrees. Is that happening here? It's short, 20 degrees. Is that going inside? It's short. So we got ankle problem, we got hip problem, we got hip flexor problem. Do we want to go and test other thing? No, because it's already issue up here. Maybe the left, maybe the right one is better. We'll check. Go ahead, raise it up. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely better. Oh my God, but that's okay. It's okay, like I said, because you already, if we have to prevent, we have to help for you to move. And this is I don't even want to just. It's better. That was great. That was great 5 degrees, which is supposed to be 35. So basically, we have 90% deficit in rotation of the hip. And yeah, you guys go ahead and play pickleball, tennis ball. You are the the perfect client for the surgeons for a hip replacement. This is the best candidate. And like I said, if you continue play with the condition like that, you're gonna get injury. Same with any sport. It's not just a pickleball. It's all type of sport. If you have limitation and you don't know, you do because you don't know about it. You think it's everything all right, and you go and play, you got to get injury. So that's the issue. The professional manual therapy, they have to know what's not working. It's not just to spread the oil in the body. It's not just the deep tissue, squeeze those muscles. It's nothing up there. Everything in your head. Your head control all movements,
Maybe
all
my
just range of
ankle is
motion.
better on this one.
Yeah, definitely not. If the hip is like that, ankle it should be there too. We already know it's fine. Like for the older people, it's fine. So, if you guys in Glendale come up and we help you out, we just mess around, joking around. But yeah, David, he have a big injury long time ago, and that's the issue. So the thing is, I know you want to enjoy your life, you want to go there, play with your friends, with your, I don't know, relatives, but you're gonna pay the price. So stop paying those price if you can prevent that with the knowledge. And this is Life RX Wellness. We in Glendale, we truly can help you, assist you, assess you, treat you, and reassessment and create the plan for your happier life and pain movements free. That's what the goal is. This is all about. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Postural Detective.